Alright, so reach a Duns River Falls. Everybody gone left me because me have a purchase. Whoa, them steps here. Yeah, no me. No, man. So yeah, I have to purchase a rental locker for put my bag, you know. Because I have a lot of valuables inside. So right about now, I'm gonna try to find everybody. And the thing is that I don't have a clue where anybody is. But I must find them. You see me? I need to get my hat. Yeah. One of them. Blessings, brother. One of them. My father. See what? Yeah, man, then I give a look through, man. I just find them people. You see me? Alright, so watch no. Yeah. So, ask the brother, I'm give him a look on him. Craft market. But you don't know, I'm not really buying nothing, so you know that one they go. But, back now, I can find them people. Yo, my last already, so I know that thing. Because they don't know, photographer life. Please don't watch the belly, because you don't know the belly thing. But, I didn't even know the first place to look. But I'm going to look anyways. You get what I say? So just follow with me. You see me? Climbing Duns River Falls look like a journey and an exercise and an adventure in itself just to climb the steps then. I don't even imagine climbing the Rasclad Falls because I won't be climbing with a blood. Yeah, I'm going to reach my close to them. I might take on the fall, might not video because but now my iPhone 7 with me. These are the 6S Plus I use people. So yeah, no climbing the falls and video, so you know that one there go. Right now, I just try to find everybody else and see how it goes. Alright, so people, when they're on the falls, I don't know, I have the camera that I'm on, I have to be careful what I do. I go all the way up there, so believe me, I'm sure them. Yes, we're going all the way up there, but they don't know I have to be careful how we walk because have cameras, we have dangerous equipment, we have phones. Just be careful of the water. Hello. I shall fix sorry. Just so. But all the way down this water from. But we're not going to further come. I'm going to put my phone and my camera in my locker now. I'm going to change off for the water. That was Bingy where they beg me feature him video in him store, him craft market and the vlog. So just check it out, tune in and see what I'm going. I get what I say. Right now, why this crowd so thick? Alright. You know, I try to talk to them as much as possible before I reach the next location. Alright. Yeah. I lose more than 5 pounds. I lose more than 5 pounds. I swear to God. May I tell you the truth. Yo. Duns River. So I swear, this is not water from the falls. This is straight sweat where you sip on your face. May I tell you the truth. No else but sweat and exhaustion. So right now, just I go drop off my camera, my phone, them, money, everything, and then head out back cause don't shoot for the time being, you see me? So right now, soon link on the back. Alright people, still up on the scene. I shoot the tennis scene. See everybody behind them there. Camera live. I think Jamar got some footage of me shooting. I don't sure. But we're not gonna know how I go. I'm just make him take over the shooting spot. Right?
Alright, see, man? What about him, man?
Camera live. So we're there go and shoot. Rain will come down and I try to beat the rain. Sky? No sun. Alright, so we're gonna know what I'm going to see me when I get back to it. Yes, we're there. I wake up 2 o'clock and say, fuck this shit. Shut up my eye and say 5 o'clock. I say, how the blood clean this? Book him, I could wake him up.
Brother, the turbo. Blame it on the turbo.
Yeah, what happened is that
turbo kick he made.
the man them got practice last night.
Not look so. Oh.
Man them got practice last night. I tell the man them say, yo, do not practice hard
See.
and do not drink the turbo.
Yo, made slap for 6.
The man them go drink the turbo and no man could sleep.
Me couldn't sleep.
Little man may have kick off him door for wake him up because I ring him phone no much time. And this man don't answer the thing that if wake him up, my phone up on silent door.
Man, they even know how to put him forward, man.
I said they don't put him forward, but yeah, it's now just 6 o'clock. This is the light of my so yo. So this is the light of my
Check out that flag here. People, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Go over Bookam Way, that's my channel. Click and subscribe to. You see me, I was there upon the main road and I got push Prince in one of them car. Go!
See? They want to kill me before my time, but we're not saying nothing. People, I'll reach something that my link on the back because right now, the decent walk and I fall asleep because I'm still not wake up yet. So far. People, we reach a Calabar right now. We never vlog when. We never vlog when we reach because I don't know. I still not fully wake up yet. Come out of the road and mind I can't sleep here. So as I say, the Calabar right now I head in to go into the basketball court and the track court to shoot thing. So the first scene we do was in Corville, the nice. We shoot part at the basketball court there. But I never like how the hoops look, so we come to Calabar to finish the rest side because them have good hoops and stuff. So we're gonna get to this soon. I reach on the court. They said I was past my prime, that I was too weak, too far behind the other guys. Watch me. Draw back your hands them. No, lift up.
So?
No, lift up, get up off of the ground.
Oh.
Now run off. Do that again. More intensity, more fierce. Remember now, this happening, you know, this is going to go on now. One motion more. You see me? Go. Side up, run off. This time did flu. Alright, we just done Liquor Man scene, Bookam scene done. Yo, me get a ras drop people.
So see.
When you not see it on my vlog, you might see it on Feet Munch. So check out Bookam vlog at Bookam Way. Yes, 2 way. You take off another way them? Alright, it's Bookam Way people. Bookam Way TV. The link are in the description. When the sun is hot. It is now 5 minutes after 8. So they are finish up now. So, book a more do a dance video yesterday, so give me more.
Yeah, we're gonna try a look at thing. I'm turning that. We're gonna try a look at thing right now, people. So when you might see this, you see me, just subscribe to our channel, you know. That's all I'm have to say. Right now we're out here do. Look how we look. Oh, look how me look. Come out of the camera.
Anyways, people, tell you know, you're diva mode. I can't deal with it more time. You have to walk with this more time for money. So. This brother named diva mode. Sir, calm down.
Diva, a lifeline mode. You see me? Lifeline. Blessings to all of the people that were up on them channel still. Go on with it.
Alright, people. So I'll do that scene right now and let's get underway. Then wash up. Full of beer sand, but
People
sooner or
get
later.
a blood clot job.
Yeah, something like that.
Come in, everything.
You see me?
don't change.
Super.
Land in a Cali. Buy everything where they may go carry. Bring it up where they fiend them carry. Woo! Everything good. 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 Woo!
I'm Gucci still. Perkins said pharmacy moving pill. Fuck moving mountain just by the hill. Oh, you're weak when the power is a dollar bill. Louis sneaks, G-star black jeans. Man clean in a just white tees. Chimpanzee 9 day, no worry about these. Me no weird knock met by Lee's. Balenciaga, me just get a thing in the store, me wago. Drug money. JCPR dripping cheese. This lean activist, yo, dripping me. That's
Everything good. 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 Criminal, drop a road, bossy. And I pray young money, touch it. High grade and a low sit. Dog, when you get that weight, just move it. I be a signal when you break them drop. Go round the food and the thing them knock. 165 for my friend them block. Immigration running, wait till me come back, dog. Everything good. 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 Everything good.
I'm Gucci still. Perkins said pharmacy moving pill. Fuck moving mountain just by the hill. Oh, you're weak when the power is a dollar bill. Louis sneaks, G-star black jeans. Man clean in a just white tees. Chimpanzee 9 day, no worry about these. Me no weird knock met by Lee's. Balenciaga, me just get a thing in the store, me wago. Drug money. JCPR dripping cheese. This lean activist, yo, dripping me.